Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we are going to present our project, which was titled Automation of Monitoring System for Flood Early Warning System based on Integrated River Water Level Detection using MRT. This project is going to be presented by us, in which my name is Reihann Harvani Nugraha,
And my name is Kimi Fadil.
and I'm going to let my friend here present the entire presentation.
And so now we continue. Abstract research. This research develops a flood early warning system using MRT, or what we call it, My Robot Time, a water sensor and a buzzer to alert nearby communities. Flooding is common in Indonesia due to heavy rainfall and limited warning system. The method is used to research development with a prototype approach that we have planned, and also the design implementation to testing and evaluation. The system works by detecting water at a set level and activating a buzzer as an alarm. The expected outcome is a simple, low-cost and effective prototype that gives quick warnings to residents in the flooded area. Introduction. Background. Floods are a common disaster in Indonesia. They cause material losses and casualties. Current warning systems are limited, so people often evacuate too late. A simple system is needed to give direct alerts to residents nearby. Research questions. How to design a simple flood early warning system using MRT, water sensor, and a buzzer. 2. Can this system give effective alerts and warnings to nearby communities? The research objective that we are going to be doing through. 1. We need to design a prototype flood early warning system using MRT, water sensor, and buzzer. 2. We need to test its effectiveness in giving early warnings at a set water level. The hypothesis. The MRT-based system with water sensor buzzer can give fast, easy to understand warning system for the community. Research methodology. The method that we are going to use, in which we are going to be needing to research and develop. The prototype model, in which we have to design, test, and improve. Experimental design. Water sensors to detect water level. Ultrasonic sensor that will going to measure the water level that has risen. The blue LED indicates water sensors has been triggered. The buzzer alarms a loud sound when the water sensor has been triggered. LED displays shows the LED display will show the water level and the warnings that will say flood warning. We have been researching this since April of 2025, since Wednesday. We also researched this in our school. Data analysis. Water level from ultrasonic sensors. Water sensor status, that is in which triggered or not. The system response, the buzzer on and off, the LED on and off, and the display that which will show the warning and water level. Data and expected results. Data collected. The water level status from ultrasonic sensor and also the buzzer warning. Expected results. Accurate water level measurement. The buzzer turns on automatically when water sensor is triggered. Alarm sounds is loud enough for nearby residents to be able to hear. Blue LED lights up when the water sensor has been triggered, and the LED displays that will show the data or warning the sensor, the flood warning or water level. Conclusions and suggestion. Conclusion. Early warning system with water, sensor, MRT, and buzzer gives quick alerts when flooding starts. System is simple, low cost, and easy to install in flood-prone areas. Suggestion. We need to add more sensors at different points for better accuracy. We also need to integrate SMS or apps for wider coverage. Now, I am going to let my friend over here, Reihann, to present.
and now I'm going to explain the prototype that we're working on the project. After I explain this, my friend is going to demonstrate how it actually works. And let me first explain this. So we have two sensors here that we use or input, shall I say. The first one is the water sensor. The water sensor will trigger if water touches its surface, and it will trigger the blue LED light and the buzzer. And it will also trigger the LED screen that will write out a flood warning. And the second is the ultrasonic sensor right here that will work like a laser that measure the water level, and the measurement will be then triggered to the LED screen, and the LED screen will project the water level. And note that I only use 10 centimeters height here, so it's not really detailed result. So I would let my friend here demonstrate the prototype.
Yes, I am going to demonstrate how the prototype now actually works. If you see over here, when my hand touches the water sensor, it actually lights up the LED light. Now, if you listen closely, when I touch this, it also activates the buzzer. The buzzer makes noise to alert the nearby residents that there has been a flood. Now, if you look over here at the LED screen, it shows the word flood warning. Usually, what we expected it to become, when the water has touched the surface of the water sensor, the LED will actually show up on a billboard, not just any normal screen, but billboards that are big enough for people to see, for people from long and far areas. Now, I am going to demonstrate on how this works. This is called the ultrasonic sensor. It acts like a laser that has been programmed to detect something between 10 centimeters and below that. If I put my hand over here, you can see in the LED screen, it shows the height of the object above it. It shows less than 10 centimeters. Now, if my hand is above 10 centimeters, the screen will actually turn off because it isn't detecting anything. Now, if you are confused on how, when I touch this, it activates the water sensors and the buzzer and anything, it's because our hand consists of oil and sweat. Because oil and sweat is a liquid type matter, it will actually be detected by the water sensor to activate. Now, as we are done to present our presentation and explain how the prototype works with its demonstration as well, thank you for listening to our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.